Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been so busy today uploading lots of new stock to the website, which I'll link below for you, and part of my delivery were these gorgeous leopard print heart beads, and I could not wait to get finished to make some earrings. They're available in red, blue, purple, light pink, pink, dark blue, green and white. And the pattern is on both sides. They are 22mm by 19 and they're chunky. They've got a 2.5mm hole. Got some 50mm or 5cm, 2 inches, whatever you use for measuring, head pins. We got some silver plated standard earring wires, 5mm silver plated jump rings, 2 pairs of pliers and some cutters for cutting the wire. And also some tiny 4mm daisy beads. And these are to go, if I was to, because the hole is so big, if I use this, it will just go straight through. So by using a bead, a daisy bead spacer, and then putting them on, it stops them falling through. So what colours should I do? Well, I think we'll go for the vibrant today, so I'm going to do pink and we'll do pink and purple or lilac. So we take our head pin, pop a daisy bead, did I say these were 4mm? Now there is a video about making loops which I'll link for you, but we want to measure 1cm. Now you could mark it with a Sharpie and then cut, but I know roughly, for myself, I know roughly where 1cm will be, so we're just going to snip that. And they usually fly off. Right, so that's that one. Now what we're going to do to make a loop, I'm just with that finger, I'm just going to hold this and then I'm going to bend 90 degrees like this. These are what I use to make loops, and they're round nose pliers. So finger on the bottom, and I'm going to come back round to make a loop. Put this on the end. Have to watch it does move. You don't want to feel it on the end. Like that. So this is what we've got, and I'm now going to bend back on myself to make a loop, take it out and go back in again, and down. It's like this at the moment, which obviously is too big. Go back in again, bend down. You see there's still, try to do it close up to show you. it's still not completely closed. And it is, normally you wouldn't have, because it's a heart shape, it makes it a little bit difficult to get in. I'll just go in a tiny bit. We must have them. There we go. Can you see the loop? And there's the loop. So we're just going to do another one. Take our daisy bead. Touch our beads. I do actually love leopard print. I know it, some people don't. It's very popular. I sell lots of leopard print supplies and jewellery. So again, right, put your finger on the end of there and that should stop it flying across the table. There. I must find where the other bit went because it hurts if you step on it with no shoes on. So again, I'm going to bend it 90 degrees, which makes it like this. And then we go to make another loop. Remember, you don't want to fill at that end, okay? So my finger's holding it there just to keep it secure. And then we go back on ourselves. And again, you can see it's not together. So go back in. Just keep doing it till there's no gap. So that's 2. And then I'm going to take 5mm jump ring. Open. And then we're going to thread through. Because they're both the same, it doesn't matter. Normally I would say make sure you thread the right way, but it doesn't matter with these. And then we close the jump ring together with the pliers. And there's that one. Just go ahead and do another one. It's very cold in the UK at the moment. I know in the US you will probably laugh when I say it's like -6 because you do have it very cold. But over here, we're not used to the temperatures being so cold. I'm just going to close. My feet really hurt with the cold. And of course the poor animals as well. So, just trying to keep them warm. I've got a cat. I've got a very elderly female cat called Lucy. And she's 90% deaf and blind. And I actually use to keep her warm, and I'll just go and show you actually. If you've got, we can also use them as well. The original microwave heat pad for small animals, up to 10 hours of warmth, keeps animals warm at home or away, quick and easy to use. No wires, ideal for newborn, convalescent and senior pets. And I've used these for dogs to rats. And you just pop them into this one's quite old now, pop these into the microwave without this. For my 900 watt, it's 5 minutes. And then you put something, you don't put the animal directly onto that, it will burn. But this I will put under my elderly cat. She's got a blanket folded over 4 times that goes on top, and it stays warm all through the night, and it's still warm in the morning. That keeps her snug. I can't remember what they are. I think they're something like £25, but I've used these so much. So if you've got small animals and you're trying to keep them warm, with the rats I would put them underneath the cages, plastic cages with a tea towel on top, and then the cage on top, and that would keep them warm. So apologies if obviously that doesn't interest you. I just wanted to share that. You know me and my animals. Okay, so the 2 pink ones are done. Bead clip. Pop that one on. A centimetre. Bend 90 degrees. And then we make our loops. I have actually got this, which was an expensive one for doing different types of loops. But I think I'm just so used to using this tiny one. It's not branded, but I do actually prefer to use this. Okay, so we attach it near the end so we can't feel, and we bend it back on ourselves. To make the loop. That's that one. And the same again. Again, check out the website. There's usually offers on, got an offer on at the moment. 10% off. And you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery making supplies. I'm also on Etsy, which I'll link below, but it's much more expensive to buy on there because of the fees. Again, we bend back. Again. I was trying to show you the actual loop to show you how there's no gaps. So we take another jump ring, split at the top, open, thread through the loop. Again, it doesn't matter what side you put the earring wire because they are the same both sides, the hearts. There's that one. And then this one. These hearts are also good because they do stand out. They make your creation, my motto is make your creation stand out from the crowd. And these do stand out and they photograph lovely. Touch the earring wire. I don't know if I can. That one. Close. And there we have our 2 pairs of earrings. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials and lots more planned. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.